Apple has been granted a series of newly approved patents here in the US, but one patent in particular is getting a lot of attention. That's a camera system that could be mounted to objects and then controlled by a phone or a watch. So joining us now to talk about this new patent is John Simons. He's business editor at International Business Times. John, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So we're talking about a patent here, but in terms of what the reports around this show us, what are we talking about in terms of technology?
What we're talking about in terms of technology is very similar to many of the products that GoPro has on the market right now. A camera that is mountable either on your body, on a bike helmet, or on a bike, or any kind of equipment, adventure kind of equipment that you can think of. And what's different about Apple's patent, the company says, is that there's inside of this device some kind of technology that helps to adjust for the shaky camera effect and reduces that effect in the device.
And now you just mentioned GoPro, and we've seen shares of GoPro stock tumble on news of this potential new technology. How much? Now I realize we're still just talking about a patent, but if Apple were to bring something like this to market, how much could this cut into GoPro's market share?
Well, it really could cut into GoPro's market share quite a bit. I mean, GoPro is a company that is less than a year old on the sort of public marketplace as a public company. Their stock has fallen about nearly 50% since last fall, and they have a pretty narrow product range. So Apple and Apple needs to at some point, even though this is just a patent, Apple needs to at some point figure out this wearables market. So it may come out with something that looks like a GoPro camera, or it may introduce something that has this technology in it that we haven't even thought of yet.
Well, it'll certainly be interesting to see what Apple comes up with, if Apple comes up with something based on this patent. John Simons, thanks for joining us. Thank you for watching. I'm Morgan Brennan. Have a great day.